I'm excited to speak to you today on 1111's DR as a Service offerings for replicating your critical applications to the cloud. With over a decade of DR as a Service leadership, 1111 provides your organization with extensive expertise and support, along with an award-winning interface for visibility and control of your cloud-hosted DR as a Service solution. And as your organization shifts further into the cloud, we provide the ability to incorporate additional data protection options and production hosting into a single management experience. We live in an ever-changing, fast-paced world where the only constant in IT is change. Businesses rely on their infrastructure to function without disruption, and this is truly critical when it comes to revenue, reputation, and competitive advantage. Due to this, organizations are always looking for ways to mitigate risk and reduce downtime. Providing an answer to risk mitigation is something we've been successfully solving for well over a decade. To ensure results for our customers, we follow a process built from experience. Starting with deep collaboration in the design phase to dedicated onboarding and ongoing support to ensure we execute on your requirements. As such, 1111 has been recognized time and time again as a leader in delivering recovery outcomes to our customers. Part of providing those successful outcomes is understanding that for effective disaster recovery, organizations need to have production-level capabilities at their recovery site, and not just compute and storage, but an end-to-end solution including onboarding, security tools, networking flexibility, VMware compatibility, and ongoing monitoring and management. And with 1111, the complete disaster recovery picture is sold in a way that makes life easier and more cost-effective for you. All that's needed to get started is understanding the reserve storage for your DR as a Service retention goals, which is something we can do very simply with 1111's Catalyst tool. Included with your subscription, we provide your organization with unlimited VM replication, connectivity, support, and security for no additional cost. Speaking of costs, it's critical to understand the pricing models for testing and failover events that are likely to occur for your business. With solutions in the market available from competitors utilizing an instance-based approach, companies can be left with compromising by limiting performance for lower price or oversubscribing than paying for full instances regardless of usage. With the 1111 approach, your workload can run with its original configuration, and we simply bill for the resources consumed. Through years of experience, we find numbers of customer workloads using less than 50% of resources allocated, something our 1111 Catalyst tool can help identify and analyze. Beyond direct resource costs, we also find that organizations leveraging 1111 DR as a Service solutions can save significant time and personnel related to implementation and ongoing maintenance, which can allow for focus on innovation and revenue-generating activities. Comparing the approaches, it's easy to see how 1111 simplifies the ability for your organization to achieve its data protection objectives. It's not just pricing and management that's simplified. Working with 1111's dedicated project management and deployment team, our DR as a Service seamlessly integrates with your on-premises VMware-based environment. Depending on your solution, once installed, data is replicated across an encrypted VPN tunnel or via TLS to ensure your business can meet its RPO in a secure and compliant manner. Data lands on high-performance storage, right-sized for your environment with access to your compute and networking resources that can be planned and configured in advance with our guidance. And once deployed, your organization has unsurpassed visibility and control leveraging the 1111 Cloud Console for numerous purposes, including testing and failover in a non-disruptive manner, understanding and predicting cloud spend, configuring network access for end users to the cloud, understanding security status and ongoing threats, and of course, daily management. Let's spend a few moments talking about recovery. Limiting data loss and ensuring consistency of data upon failover is critical to reducing the impact of any disaster on your organization. 1111 DR as a Service solutions have options where data is written in near real time, with many of our customers achieving a recovery point objective in seconds. Utilizing capabilities built into the 1111 Cloud Console, you can define full orchestration for a full site or individual workloads. And with non-intrusive testing capabilities, you can verify these recovery plans at any time and modify as needed to ensure successful failover in the future. Through the console, automated reporting is always available to showcase achieved recovery time objectives, detailed recovery steps, and documentation with business stakeholders to build confidence in your DR solution and prove validation. As one of the largest DR as a service providers in the world, 1111 ensures that you're set for success regardless of your path to consuming our DR as a service solutions. Whether you select self-service or a fully managed service, 1111 builds a framework for success with all of our DR as a service solutions, from design and implementation to utilizing the environment on an ongoing basis. Here you can see a summary of what we include with both approaches and can discuss which best aligns to your business requirements. As you've seen today, 1111 DR as a service solutions reduce risk to your organization through high-frequency replication and recovery time in minutes, with the ability to test and verify non-intrusively at any time. Alongside this, we can save your organization time and money through our unique consumption-based cost model and ultimately allow you to focus on pushing your business forward in terms of innovation and revenue.